Hello friends, today we are going to use the order by clause in Oracle 10G. Order by clause in Oracle 10G to sort the records according to the column name. So the syntax of the order by clause is select star from table name and then order by clause, order a space by, then the column name which we want to uh, uh, sorted the records from this, and ASC and DESC, the keywords which are used for ASC and DING ascending order, or DESCIND DESC descending order. Ascending means from smallest to largest number, or from smallest to largest alphabet, and descending is descending means from largest to smallest number, or largest to smallest alphabet. So we are considering this by the example of our table, and the table which we are going to use from the past few video lectures, that is employee master. So first we are going to use the tables records. So let's start from employee master. Okay, so the records are these. So we are going to sort these records according to the salary. So I want to display the records from 7,500 first, then the 15,000, then 17,000, then 17,500, and so on. So according to the smallest salary from the biggest, or more salary, bigger salary, we are sorting these records. So then select star from employee master, and we are using the order by clause. Order by column name is salary. So now these records are sorted according to the employee salary, that is 7,500, 13,500, 15,000, 15,000, 17,000, 17,500, and 22,000 are these here. So once again we are using uh, the sorting according to e name, that is uh, this. So if we are not giving any kind of keyword like ASC or DESC, then Oracle 10G automatically understands that the column name which is given, we have system must have to um, sort the records in ascending order. But if we are given DESC, then it will uh, sorted sort these records in the descending order uh, according to the name. One more example here we are considering that. First of all, I'm clearing the screen by the clear screen command. Now I'm using the records to be displayed. Now we are using here the multiple order by uh, multiple order by columns here. Uh, you can see that there are two records with the same name, Sunil and Sunil. When we are giving the order by clause according to the e name, then the Sunil and Sunil will at the same position. Then the system will represent the Sunil first, which is inserted in this table first. That means E002 Sunil will become viewable at first position than the 007 Sunil. But uh, we can change its priority by these commands like this. Select star from employee master, order by key name, then key age descending order. So when this priority ename will discarded when both the Sunil and Sunil names are common, then this will be forwarded to EH, and here we are describing that EH must be shown in descending order, then the Sunil with the 32 age will become first, and Sunil with 24-year age will become at the second position. If we are changing this order to ascending order, that is ASC, then the 24 age will become at the first position and the 32 age will become at the second position. Then after this Sunil, when the first priority is common, then it will be forwarded to the second priority if we are chosen then. So I hope so that you are more familiar with the order by clause to sorting the records according to your choice. I hope this video will help you to understand the sorting better. Thank you so much, and be consistent with me. Please subscribe my channel and write down in comments how you like my video. Thank you all of you.